Welcome to our review of the ProForm TDF Bike. Stay tuned till the end for our final verdict. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. The ProForm TDF is an indoor trainer designed to tone your body, especially the abdomen and legs, while offering an overall workout. It features a 20% incline and decline, 26 gears, an intuitive console with a tablet holder, 24 built-in programs, 26 digital resistance levels, onboard speakers, toe-caged pedals with adjustable straps, and a padded adjustable seat. Its iFit app connectivity allows for customized routes via Google Maps and access to unlimited workout programs. The bike's incline and decline adjust automatically to simulate real routes, and it supports a chest strap for heart rate monitoring. The pedals are toe-caged, with the option to switch to SPD pedals. Despite the cost of the iFit app subscription, the ProForm TDF stands out for its training and entertainment features, making it suitable for beginners and elite cyclists preparing for races. Alternatives include the Apex Bike Echelon Connect EX3 and Watt Bike Trainer. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and let us know which spin bike you'd like us to review next.